Before you head out into the wild, it's important to plan your meals and pick only the must-have cooking tools and pots. A lot of campers pack too much stuff they don't need and forget the important things. We don't want you to make that mistake. So, we've put together a list of the best camping cooking items based on how well they work and what they do. Let's get started. When you're out exploring the trails, a camping cooler can be too bulky to bring along. That's where the Hydro Flask 26L Day Escape trademark soft cooler tote comes to the rescue. This tote is not just any cooler. It's crafted from a durable 600D polyester shell, ensuring it can take a beating for years to come. Plus, its TPU zip zipper seals the deal. It's airtight, waterproof, dustproof, and without those pesky teeth, so you can trust that the cold stays in and the heat stays out. With a spacious 26-liter capacity, this cooler tote can hold up to 42 cans without ice, keeping them chilled for up to 36 hours. That's more than enough time for a day trip or a long hike. Despite its size, it's lightweight at just 3.4 pounds and comes with a removable crossbody and shoulder straps for easy carrying. In short, the Hydro Flask 26L Day Escape trademark soft cooler tote is your perfect companion for keeping drinks cold and refreshing during your adventures. When you're out camping, there's nothing quite like gathering around a bonfire and grilling up some delicious food, so you'll definitely want to pack a reliable grilling system. So, meet your perfect companion, the Brio Outpost. This grill is crafted from tough 304 stainless steel, which means it's super sturdy and built to last. Plus, it's got this cool feature where you can adjust it however you need, and even spin it a full 360 degrees to get your cooking just right. Lastly, it comes with an anchor point system. This means you can easily attach it to a fire pit, making it super quick to set up and start grilling your favorite campfire meal. Let's be honest, who really wants to lug around a bunch of cooking utensils on an adventure? That's where the splitter comes into play. Imagine having a spatula, a spork, and a pair of tongs all wrapped up in one sleek, titanium-based multi-utensil. It's like the Swiss Army knife for your outdoor dining needs. Lightweight, compact, and minimalist, the splitter is crafted from two separate pieces, a spatula and a long spork. Snap them together, you've got yourself an incredibly handy set of tongs. The magic happens with a simple stainless steel pin that slides into a keyhole slot. It's that easy. Elegant, efficient, and designed for those who love to keep things simple. The splitter is a game changer. And honestly, once you try it, you'll see why it's the go-to choice for minimalists everywhere. Get ready to up your campfire cooking game with the Wolf and Grizzly Cook system. This all-in-one kit includes everything you need for outdoor cooking. Cookware set, fire pit, grill, and even a ferro rod for starting fires. Whether you're craving a hot breakfast or a sizzling dinner, the griddle, hibachi, and 2L pot can be combined to cook up any meal over a warm fire. Don't worry about complicated assembly. Setting up is quick and easy, so you'll be cooking in no time. It's the perfect gift for adventurers who love the taste of food cooked over an open flame. Let's step up your outdoor cooking game with the Primus Anja 2-burner stove. This stove is perfect for your camping adventures. It's super stable, with a base that expands to create a secure cooking surface for 2 burners. Plus, it can boil a liter of water in just 4 minutes. Perfect for quick meals on the go. For safety, the burners are connected directly to the gas canister, protected by the base. And check this out, the oak lid doubles as a cutting board or serving platter. Transporting it is a breeze thanks to the integrated carry straps. It's the perfect size for your outdoor trips, whether you're heading to a picnic or a camping adventure. Sure, the charm of a live kitchen is undeniable, but stumbling upon one in the wilderness seems far-fetched, right? Well, maybe not. Say hello to the Nomad Kitchen, your ultimate car kitchen buddy that fits snugly in your SUV, crossover wagon, or van. Imagine a kitchen that's compact yet packs a punch, with dimensions that make it a perfect travel companion. 25 inches deep, 14 inches long, and 20 inches wide. No more missing out on the comforts of your kitchen. The Nomad Kitchen arrives ready to rock, fully equipped to handle your prepping, cooking, and cleaning needs on the move. It's truly an amazing time to explore the world without leaving the joys of home cooking behind. Forget about waiting for Domino's to deliver pizza in the middle of your adventure. Why not bring the pizza party to the great outdoors with the Oven Plus by Captain Cook? Picture this. The world's first double-deck outdoor pizza oven right at your fingertips, ready to turn your pizza dreams into reality. Whether you're in the mood to grill, bake, stew, or fry, the Oven Plus has got you covered. Imagine tossing a pizza into an oven that's designed with thermal convection, ensuring every inch gets evenly cooked without the need for a spin. And with its patented butterfly burner, you can fire it up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit in just 10 minutes. No more hanging around hungry. It's time to get your hands on an Oven Plus. Drinks are a must for camping, but keeping them cool on longer trips can be a challenge. Luckily, the RVR Roller 60 has you covered. With its reliable storage, you can enjoy your favorite beverages without worry, allowing you to relax and enjoy your time outdoors. This cooler isn't just any cooler. It's built tough with a rotationally molded body, airtight gasket, and thick foam insulation. It means your drinks stay chilled for up to 10 days, holding up to 60 cans and 20 pounds of ice without breaking a sweat. If you need extra storage space, the cooler includes a detachable dry bin featuring 2 compartments. This handy feature allows you to store additional items like 4 to 6 bottles of water, meats, bread, and more. Finally, moving it around is completely effortless, thanks to its 9-inch puncture-resistant wheels and durable aluminum pull handle. So, if you want to keep your food and drinks fresh on your outdoor adventure, the RVR Roller 60 cooler is the way to go. Hey outdoor explorers! Ever feel like a good meal can turn a camping trip into a memorable adventure? Well, get ready to elevate your outdoor dining game with the Warden Outdoors kitchen set. This awesome set has everything you need for cooking up delicious meals while you're on the go. With 36 handy items included, you'll be all set for cooking and eating in style. It's made from super durable food-grade stainless steel, so you know it's built to last. Plus, it's totally safe for you and your buddies to use. You'll love the deep dish frying pan, kettle, and grill grate that come with it. They're perfect for whipping up all your favorite camping meals, from sizzling breakfasts to hearty dinners. It comes with a nylon table cover to keep your meal free from dust and debris. Plus, it's got wheels, so you can easily roll it around your campsite without breaking a sweat. Meet the Igloo Cool Tunes Playmate Classic. It's not just your ordinary cooler. It's cooler with built-in Bluetooth speakers. Now, you can groove to your favorite tunes while enjoying the great outdoors. This cooler is tough and ready for any adventure with its weather-resistant exterior and IP56 rated water-resistant design. You can even splash around it without worrying about damaging the speakers. With easy-to-use controls and a covered charging port, keeping the music going all night long is a breeze. Plus, it has up to 10 hours of playtime on a single charge, so the party doesn't have to stop until you're ready to call it a night. Imagine camping in the great outdoors and feasting on delicious rotisserie-style food. No gas or electricity needed. Enter the RotoQ 360 rotating rotisserie, your new camping buddy. This lightweight rotisserie weighs just 5.5 pounds and fits easily into any backpack, perfect for adventures in the woods or by the lake. It also spins your food for you, so no more constant flipping is required. It's totally eco-friendly and super easy to use since it doesn't need any electricity, gas, or batteries. Plus, its compact design means you can attach it to gas or charcoal grills, fire pits, and more for mouth-watering meals wherever you go. Rotisserie-style chicken, beef, ribs, whatever you fancy, it's all possible right at your campsite with the RotoQ 360. If you're into hunting or overlanding, you know that having the right gear can make all the difference. And when it comes to outdoor cooking, the Benchmade Meatcrafter is a total game changer. With its cool OD G10 handle and stylish orange accent ring, it's not just functional, it looks awesome too. Made from super tough CPMS 45VN steel, the blade is ultra durable and crazy sharp, thanks to Benchmade's top-notch selectage technology. Whether you're trimming, deboning, or slicing wild game, this knife's precision cutting power has got you covered. And when you're done, just pop it into the orange bolt-around sheath for safekeeping. After tackling the day's camping tasks, imagine unwinding with a smooth, rich cup of coffee or espresso. Sounds perfect, right? With the Aeropress coffee maker, you can make it happen. Packed with everything you need, including 350 filters, a brewing chamber, plunger, filter cap, and more, this coffee maker can whip up 1 to 3 cups of delicious American or espresso-style coffee in about a minute, anywhere you find yourself. Its microfilters ensure you won't be sipping any grit, making cleanup super easy. Plus, at just 16.5 ounces, the Aeropress is a cinch to pack and bring along on your wilderness adventures. Just finished a delicious meal at your campsite and staring down those dirty pots and pans? Don't worry, because the UST Flexware Sink 2.0 is here to make dishwashing straightforward and hassle-free. This collapsible sink is lightweight and durable, made from thermoplastic rubber. With its 16-liter capacity, this sink ensures you have plenty of water to clean up everything in one go. And it's versatile, coming in different sizes and shapes to suit your needs. With dual carrying handles, this sink weighing 30.44 ounces is easy to transport, adding convenience to your camping experience. Overall, the UST Flexware Sink 2.0 is your go-to solution for washing dishes comfortably at the campsite, making post-meal cleanup a stress-free task. Imagine cooking your favorite meals outdoors without ever striking a match or lighting a fire. Sounds intriguing, right? Meet the Yabble Cook Flameless Cooker, your new go-to for hassle-free outdoor dining. This innovative cooker uses a simple combination of a heating pad and water to bring your food to nearly boiling temperatures in just minutes. Perfect for any outdoor adventure where fire is a no-go. The Yabble Cook is designed with your health and the environment in mind. It's crafted from BPA-free silicone, ensuring it's safe for you and your food. Plus, its lightweight and compact design means you can easily take it with you wherever you roam. Enjoy sweet treats around the campfire with Jolly Marshmallow roasting sticks. This set of 5 stainless steel sticks with wooden handles extends from 10 to 34 inches, perfect for roasting marshmallows or even hot dogs. These versatile sticks aren't just for marshmallows. You can also use them for hot dogs, adding a tasty twist to your camping meals. With Jolly Marshmallow roasting sticks, you'll create joyful memories and enjoy delicious, smoky marshmallows with your loved ones. Make your camp nights extra special with this must-have camping accessory. Alright, let's talk about the Anja Stove, a compact yet powerful 2-burner stove that's all about bringing those nostalgic campground meals to life. You can easily set it up on any surface, and it's super stable for cooking. Plus, each burner works independently, so you can adjust the heat just how you like it. It can boil water crazy fast, less than 4 minutes for a whole liter. You'll need gas canisters to power it up, but don't worry, they fit snugly under the stove for safety. And if you want to use both burners at once, just grab 2 canisters. It sports an oak lid that not only keeps the burners safe when you're on the move, but also transforms into a cutting board or serving platter. Whether you're camping, picnicking, or just enjoying nature, the Anja Stove is your trusty sidekick for cooking up delicious outdoor meals. Planning a camping adventure? Get ready to take your outdoor cooking to the next level with the Omnia Stovetop Oven. It's super easy to use. No fancy installation required. Just plop the stainless steel base over your heat source, such as a camping stove, and place the round aluminum food container on top. Now, here's where the magic happens. The heat from the stove spreads across the bottom of the container and rises up through a special lid with a hole for ventilation. This clever design helps cook your food evenly, just like a regular oven. And speaking of food, the Omnia lets you whip up all sorts of delicious treats. From cakes and muffins to casseroles, bread, and even pizza, you can do it all. Plus, it works with different types of stoves. So whether you're using gas or a portable camping stove, you're good to go. Are you a coffee fanatic? Then you'll love the Mini Presso NS2. It's your go-to solution for getting that perfect espresso fix while you're out adventuring. The Mini Presso NS2 works its magic with special NS capsules. These little capsules make brewing espresso in the wild a breeze. They're already filled with precisely ground and measured coffee, so you get the same great taste every time. Using it is a piece of cake. Just pop in a capsule, pour in some hot water, and pump away with the piston. Before you know it, you'll have a rich, full-bodied espresso ready to go. Just what you need to fuel up for your outdoor escapades. So, whether you're camping in the woods or hiking up a mountain, the Mini Presso NS2 ensures you never have to compromise on your coffee cravings. Need a trusty stove for your outdoor cooking adventures? Meet the half-gen camp stove from Jetboil. This versatile stove can be used on its own or link up with other JetLink-compatible stoves to create your outdoor kitchen. With a whopping 10,000 BTUs, it can boil water in just over 3 minutes. That means you can quickly whip up a hot beverage or melt snow for water. Jetboil's regulator technology lets you fine-tune the heat from a gentle simmer to a rolling boil, so you're in control of your cooking every step of the way. It comes with a handy 9-inch fry pan that's coated with ceramic for non-stick goodness. Perfect for cooking up everything from eggs to burgers without any hassle. The half-gen camp stove is easy to clean, so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying the great outdoors. Meet Barbaram Mini, the ultimate camping grill designed to make outdoor cooking a breeze. Unlike those tricky traditional grills, Barbaram Mini keeps things simple and easy. Just a quick flick and you're ready to cook. No more struggling with complicated setups or bulky gear. With its thick grill, you can start cooking in seconds, feeding up to 4 hungry campers with its spacious cooking surface. And here's the fun part. With the grill's wings unfolded, you can easily add spices or food to your heart's content. Plus, it's super versatile. Whether you're into coal, wood chips, pellets, or even stick grills on the ground, Barbaram Mini can handle it all. So next time you're out camping, bring along Barbaram Mini for hassle-free, delicious outdoor meals that'll have everyone coming back for seconds. Thinking about whipping up some delicious Alfredo chicken pasta and veggies at your campsite? Let me introduce you to the Jetboil Genesis base camp system. This gem comes with a 5-liter pot and a 10-inch non-stick fry pan, perfect for those warm stews or any meal you're craving in the great outdoors. It's powered by a propane tank and boasts foldable dual burners with a 10,000 BTU heating system, meaning you can boil water in just over 3 minutes. Plus, it's super easy to carry around in its durable bag, fitting all the bits and pieces neatly. Whether you're in the hills or far from civilization, this stove has you covered. Grab the Jetboil Genesis base camp system and get ready for tasty adventures. Next, meet the Napoleon Travel Q portable BBQ grill. A portable dual burner, it's perfect for grilling up tasty treats like chicken, pizza, and more. With 285 square inches of space and powerful 12,000 BTU dual burners, you can grill 20 burgers or even a whole chicken on this beauty. The cast aluminum design ensures durability, while the wave cooking grids give your food those coveted sear marks. Plus, with the ASCII Hue Probe temperature gauge, you can keep an eye on the grill's temperature for perfect results every time. Whether you're cooking for a small group or a big party, this grill has got your back. The GCI Outdoor Slimfold Cookstation trademark is made of durable aluminum and alloy steel, ensuring it's tough and long-lasting. This cookstation has a countertop, 4 side tables, and a storage rack, all able to hold between 30 to 48 pounds. This means you can keep all your cooking essentials neatly organized. But the best part is, it folds up flat and has a carry handle. That means you can easily take it with you on your camping trips. The GCI Outdoor Slimfold Cookstation trademark ensures you can cook at your campsite without the hassle of creating a mess or dealing with disorganization, keeping your outdoor cooking experience smooth and enjoyable. You might think that whipping up delicious food requires a good chunk of time, especially when you're out embracing the wilderness. But what if I told you that's not always the case? Enter the Rapid Grill series by George Foreman, a game changer for outdoor cooking that heats up 30% faster. That means you'll have mouth-watering burgers, juicy chicken, and perfectly grilled veggies in no time. Now, you might be wondering about the cleanup. Sounds like a hassle, right? Well, think again. This grill comes with dishwasher-safe removable plates coated with a premium ceramic non-stick layer that's as tough as your adventurous spirit. So forget about cleanup stress and focus on what really matters, savoring every moment of your outdoor escapades.